Good afternoon, ladies. It's just a little bit after noon, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Weight Watchers unboxing and a Built Bar unboxing. So I've been really busy this morning and doing different things and laundry, and I've been working on our taxes, trying to get that stuff done, so that's a big chore. So I have quite a bit to do yet, but it'll get done. So I hope you guys are having a really awesome day. Let's start with the Built Bars. I got both of these yesterday. So I got both the Built Bar salted caramel chocolate bar. I had one last night. Amazing. I really like it. But this is what it looks like. Again, it's the salted caramel chocolate. And then I also got Built Bar coconut chocolate cream. I haven't opened that one yet. So here goes. I love coconut. Love coconut. So I got something else. Built Boost, a natural energy, 100% daily vitamins mixed bag. No caffeine. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And that's it with the Built Bars. I'm a huge procrastinator, you know that. So I've been wanting to order for a while, so I finally did, and I got it yesterday along with my other Weight Watchers snacks. So I ordered more of the iced cinnamon puffs. Love those. There is 5 pouches in each box. Love those. And I ordered some more of my favorites, the Crunchy Snack Barbecue Potato Crisp. This also has 5 pouches in the box. Love, that's my favorite. Love them. And then, let's see, what else did I get? Also, I'm going to try the muffin mix, blueberry protein muffin. You put them in the microwave in this, this has 2 cups each, and you put it in the microwave, and it just cooks in the cup. So I'm looking for, I think maybe I might try this for dessert tonight. But I got 2 boxes of those. If I really like them, I can order more. And I'm trying something new here. Let's see, what's in this? Oh, this must be the popcorn. I ordered some popcorn too. But this is a sea salt hummus crisp. I guess they're just regular potato chips. And I am going to try them right now. I've been looking forward to trying them. They're blue. Again, they're the flavored crunchy snack sea salt hummus crisp. And I'm going to try them. They're really good. Oh, this could be part of my lunch today. Really good. Okay. And popcorn. Not a very long video today, but I just wanted to jump on here and show you what I got. This is the Weight Watchers popcorn butter flavor. I am going to open this up and just see what this tastes like also. Smells like butter. I really like popcorn. Really good. I'll save this for later. Put it back in the box there. And I think that's it, guys. Short and sweet. So just wanted to jump on here and show you what I got from Weight Watchers. I know this is keeping me motivated and everything. Again, I hope you guys are having a great day. If you enjoyed this video, give me some likes. And if you enjoy my videos, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, hit the little bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Have a great day.